And the rope. Early lead is taken by Keyboy from the outside. Speedmaker by the rail. And Haywire running in third. And moving up on the outside, Fields of Gold, Wall Alert. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Speedmaker by 3.5 lengths, followed by Haywire in second. And Fields of Gold running in third. In fourth is entry number 4. And at the far turn, it is still Speedmaker in the lead, followed by Haywire, Fields of Gold, and Wall Alert moving up now on the outside. And Keyboy rounding the far turn. It is still Speedmaker by 3.5 lengths, followed by Haywire in second. And moving up now on the inside is Wall Alert. And Fields of Gold moving up on the further outside. Keyboy, Mr. Classmate. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Speedmaker in the lead, followed by Wall Alert moving up on the outside, and Fields of Gold on the further outside in Haywire. It's Speedmaker and Wall Alert moving up on the outside, and Fields of Gold and Haywire. It's Wall Alert now moving up on the outside to grab the lead. It's Wall Alert in the lead, followed by Haywire on the outside, Wall Alert by the rail, Haywire, and finally it's Wall Alert, Haywire, Fields of Gold, Speedmaker, Mr. Classmate, and Keyboy.